Coming months and years will prove to be a momentous period in our history, pregnant with immense possibilities. Let us therefore resolve to gird up our loins, sink all our differences, stand shoulder to shoulder, and continue our march towards the goal of Purva Swaraj.
Born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Netaji's journey from a brilliant student to a fearless leader exemplifies an unwavering commitment to the ideals of liberty and justice. A man of extraordinary vision and conviction, he sacrificed a life of comfort to dedicate himself to the cause of India's independence. His leadership of the Indian National Army was a testament to his indomitable spirit and belief in the power of unity. Netaji inspired thousands to rise above their differences and fight for a shared dream of free and sovereign India. Bose was not just